so that there's no major impact. The malware doesn't jumps to any other kind of system over there. So that's the only reason why we came up with those list of secure IP address and kind of we set up an alert on our systems. Okay. So I hope this answered your question. Do you need any further question or any other clarity on this one?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So let me see what else I need to discuss today. Okay. So now the thing is that what we do is that now let's wind up our discussion. I'm actually tired now. So let's wind up our discussion for today. And the next day, we'll look at certain more techniques in a DNS. Like we will know what other things like shared hosting. One of the things, shared hosting, how shared hosting is the problem for the SOC team. But there are a lot of incidents where shared hosting, you will see that IP address is based on shared hosting and how to take decision on handling those kind of incidents. So we'll look at that. We'll look at some example. Then we will look at the DNS discovery, what the attackers can do to discover different kind of like there are a lot of DNS based discovery attacks. So we'll look at those things. Then we'll look at how we can detect those DNS discovery attempts. And so those are the things we'll look at. And then we'll also have an exercise there. I will show you a diagram, and I will ask you, okay, from this packet capture, tell me which are the malicious DNS domain that you can figure out. So we'll look at all those things in the next class. And guys, do you have any additional question before I wind up? If not,
Actually, we have a request. Can you please share the yesterday and today's video so that we can do some lab practice, because we want to, like, if we are moving forward and we are not able to take time note, so that is the reason today's lab was like most important and yesterday's as well. So how can we like get the video that we can practice the things?
Okay, so that's one thing. What I will do is, like, from my end, I will be sharing the scripts with you, which I have been kind of showcasing. So that's one thing. I'll be kind of sharing the scripts with you, which you can kind of let me just quickly go through that. Let's do this thing quickly. That's the first thing. And the video part is not in my hand, guys. So it's something handled by the management, and they have actually had a discussion with your own management that the video is something it needs to be kind of processed, because there are a lot of pauses and all. It needs to be processed, and then it will be kind of said that once the session is over. Okay, so that's not my call, and that has been something decided earlier by your management team and my management team. But what I will do from my end is that I will be kind of sharing the list of codes that I actually utilized today, which you can kind of practice upon or maybe add more features to that going forward. So this is the first one, which is something. Let me just go to that. So this is the algorithm which will be used to kind of do the DGA based algorithm generation. The other thing is the whois search. So you can utilize this. You can add some more additional functionality to this. To what you can do is that you can utilize this to let's say you can utilize this to kind of do that automatically reputation checks and an ace check of any domain. Okay, so this is the one that I showcased today to you. So let me just go to that. That's one. And the last one is this one, where I showcase like how the malware actually tries to kind of communicate through the websites and try to download the content. That you can kind of what you can do is that the malware will be able to know that, okay, if it is connected to internet or not. So that's one of the things, but it can do a lot of other things. So you can also, what you can do is you can modify this script saying that rather than the example.google.com, what you can do is that you can make it that, okay, it reads a specific tweet from the Twitter profile or Facebook.com post, and it get the content from there, and it tells that to kind of execute some command remotely on the system. Okay, So you can make the changes to this code and get this like have exercise on that one too. Okay, so let me just go to that one. See, 1 second, guys. So it's pastebin.com, the new test. Now let me. Okay, so these are 3 scripts that we have kind of seen today, and I will definitely request you that these are the base script, not the best, the base script. And thing is that you guys add some certain more functionality, or maybe combine all this script into one and come up with certain kind of a module by which you can do multiple kind of automated based check on DNS logs. Okay, so maybe the one that I said yesterday about the PCAP5, where you read the DNS logs. So you can combine all those things into one and maybe come up with a certain software or certain script which reads the PCAP file and quickly highlights, let's say, what are the malicious domains that are inside that. Okay, so that's all, guys, for today, and let's wind up if there are no additional questions, and we'll meet next Monday now. Okay, so thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.